Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make another surprise fold, and I want to show you how to draw a MOSASAURUS surprise fold from Jurassic World. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. And it looks like Miami is either going to help us or bite us with this. Now, to start off with our paper, we're just going to take it and we want to fold it in half just like we were making a birthday card. So we just fold it in half, then we just make a little crease down there to create a little birthday card. Now, after you have your birthday card, what I like to do is I'm going to take this flap and I'm going to just fold it right down to this fold here. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to fold it right down to the fold, and I'm going to fold it like this. Now I'm actually going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to do this a little bit different. So we're just going to line it up right to this fold. We're going to press it down and just fold this here. Now this way we actually have two little folds in here for our surprise fold. And I'm just going to kind of fold this down a little bit more so that way we can open it up better. But these little lines are nice because now we have two guides for our drawing. Now let's begin on our surprise fold. So to make our little MOSASAURUS surprise fold, we're going to start over here and we're going to make the eye of our MOSASAURUS. I'm going to begin right here. We're just going to draw a little line that goes down and that's going to come up like a check mark shape. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a small little smiley face for the actual eye. So we'll draw a line that goes down and then up for the actual eye. Right inside of here, I'm going to make another one, another little smiley face. And we'll do one more in here, then I'll just color this in. Now, starting here, we want to make the eyebrow. So I'll begin right here. We're going to draw a line that goes up and down for the little eyebrow. Now, as I'm looking at this eye, I actually want this eye to kind of be looking down. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this and just kind of curve it down a little bit. Then I'm going to color in this so it looks like it's kind of looking forward. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and down for the head. Next, starting here, let's make a line that comes all the way to the end. Now, starting at the top here, we're going to make a line that comes down and that's going to curve down here for the nose. So we'll begin right here at about the middle point of the eyebrow. We're going to draw a line that just comes down and then we're going to curve down like this. So we got a really long nose. Now, starting right here where this line ended, we're just going to draw a line that goes down and we're going to come over like this. We're going to continue this line and we just want to bring it up for the jaw. Right here, I'm going to add an extra little curved line. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down here. Next, we're just going to draw a line that comes down and another one over here for the little flipper. Right underneath this eye, let's go ahead and add a couple little lines for some details by the eye. Then right up here, let's make a little curved line for the nostril. Back here, I'm going to add a couple little rounded points for some spikes on the back. And then we have our basic shape of our Mosasaurus. We could always come in here and maybe add an extra little line or two around here. Just a couple little detail lines. I might even add a couple little circle shapes down here for some little spots or scales. Once we open this up, you can see that we have two halves of our Mosasaurus. We have the top and bottom. Now we just want to fill in the middle. So the first thing I'm going to do is start right over here, and I just want to draw a line that's going to go above this little fold. So we're going to make a little line that comes up. And over here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down below the fold. So we just want to make a little line that's going to come down. Now, the nice thing is that we have these two folds. We don't have to worry about kind of making sure we don't draw up here. We can make sure we keep everything underneath the fold. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that comes over, and it's going to come up here with a little bit of a curve, kind of like he's smiling. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down here, and you can see we come down and we start to curve in. I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it over, and we just want to connect right to here. Then I'm going to draw a little line on top here to really show that he's smiling. Now, starting here, I want to add the teeth. So when I add the teeth, I'm going to just make some nice big V shapes on here. You can make them really pointy, you can make them not so pointy, it's up to you. I'm just going to make them a little bit different sizes. We'll do the same thing down here. We're just going to add some different size teeth on here. Now, I also want to add the tongue. So starting right here, let's just draw a line that's going to come down. We'll go up and come back down like this for the tongue. Now, once you have this, you can put whatever you want to inside your little Mosasaurus. You can draw a shark, you can draw another dinosaur, you can put whatever you want to. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make that little kind of like submarine in here that they were riding in the Jurassic World movie. Now, to start off with our little submarine, we're going to put it right over here. So I'm going to begin right here by making a little line that's going to come straight up, down. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go around. It's going to come down and then back up to here. We'll make two little lines that come over here and a little line down. Right here, let's draw a little line that goes out. It's going to go down and then over. And we'll make a little line that goes up, over, and then comes back down. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go down, over, and then we'll just connect to here. Up here, I'm going to add a little line that goes up, over, and down. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go down, over, and then we'll come up. Right here, let's make a little line that goes over, and it's going to come up for the little window. Now, I like to add a little extra line in there. Then we'll add a little line that goes over. It's going to come down and then back over here for a little detail on the side. And we'll add a little line on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Mosasaurus about to eat the little submarine from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. So when you close this up, you have your little Mosasaurus face, but when you open it up, you have the Mosasaurus about to eat the sub. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.